Yo, what is going on, guys? Today we are back with another trade recap where we're gonna go over two trades. This one I took during Asia session yesterday, and it didn't hit until this morning. And then this one I took this morning and it didn't hit until this afternoon, after Asia session. But two massive hits on NQ today and yesterday. Let's go over the first one. So what I saw first on this was a 1 hour retrace into this candle, and then we got a close sort of bullish, but I wasn't completely sold on it yet, so I decided to wait for this next candle, which ended up being bearish, and then I waited for the candle after that, and that candle gave me the initial confirmation for me to put in or for me to have some bullish bias going into this. And then I went into the 5-minute and I saw some inversions. I saw inversions from these bearish gaps, from this one right here, off of this wick up, or off of this candlestick, and I just decided to put in an entry right here. I saw some inversions, I saw some respected gaps, so I put in a trade right here for a 1 to 2.4 risk to reward to win me about, I think it was like, I don't know, I think my TP was actually at first like really high, but I ended up just settling for something down here, and then I got break even actually right here, but I still made about $1,820 on that break even trade. And then the trade I took this morning was a lot better. This is actually the best trade I've ever had. My biggest win. On this one, we also looked for a 1 hour unfilled gap, and we looked for draws into it, which you see right here. We saw this little tiny gap right here that we saw get drawn into and close super bullish, which gave me my bias. And then right here, the entry of this little candlestick dipping right into this gap and then closing super bullish gave me all of the confirmation that I need to go long here. So I put in a 1 to 2.6 risk to reward ratio trade, put my TP at this area of liquidity, stop loss at the beginning of the move, and watched it go up. And I ended up hitting this one for about $4,600, and I'm up $12,000 on this paper trading account. I'm going to buy my prop firm probably about a week or a week and a half, so super excited for that. And yeah, I mean, I've had some very good wins recently. 2,000, 2,500, and then this was just some little things I did. I think this was a break even, and then 1,800, 4,600. So a lot of big trades. My strategy is coming together. It's allowing me for a lot of big wins here. And if we look, we still have this area of liquidity that we need to fill if we are still going to be bullish. We can look at this to be an area that we can potentially draw to, which is 1,200 pips. So that could win us a lot of money. But I'm probably just going to enter, if I do find all of my confluences, I'm probably going to enter somewhere around like here, because I mean, it's going to take a little bit for those confluences to hit. So yeah, it probably won't be that big, or as big as that, but it'll still be a very big trade if I can find the right confluences for it. So yeah, that's pretty much all I really had today. My weekly analysis is going very good. We've already hit two key levels, 2 key liquidity points, waiting on this third one. And yeah, I mean, so far going very good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something from this, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.